bird's kissing him. What do you think of the birdie's bag? Aww.
Yeah, the dog, you can't smell his butt.
Ow! Oh, great. Oh, great. Oh, shoot. Oh, he landed on Jeremy's bald head.
Yeah, it'll,
Ow! Ouch!
Hey, buddy. Kicked him in his nose. Easy, Diamond. I know how you are, Diamond. I mean, she don't like you. You don't like your Diamond. He's gay. He likes speck.
No, don't scare him.
Easy, 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 guys. Birdie wants you to pet him.
Come over here again with the bird.
Follow the birdie. Follow the birdie.
Come up close. Oh, hell no. Oh. Oh. Oh, good. Good birdie.
Did you get it?
Speck's all about this bird, isn't he?
He wants the mirror.
Oh, boy. Oh, whoa!
Diamond trying to
Ah!
Diamond trying to eat it. Did you see Diamond trying to eat it?